ammo runs dry, I have to transition to the pistol. So, you know, that's the thing. You got to know how to do that. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, whoa. You see that?
I have one in it.
Yeah, two in it. Two came out at the same time.
Two. No, I didn't see it.
Another one. My math must be off.
Yeah.
You want to practice that? Fire one, right? And then grab like that. Put that this way, and then do that.
Okay.
So that's how you transition to your secondary. You fire, and then you're gonna grab here, get that out of your way, and then, see what I'm saying? Because you don't want this in your way, right? So when you're transitioning to your secondary weapon, that's a desperate situation. You don't want this getting in the way of your draw. So you grab it by the top like this, put it down, and then grab that. All right. And it's the same thing with any other thing you need to grab, like, you know, like if you need to grab your knife, same thing. Fire one. Transition, transition. There you go, there you go. Fire one. Holster. Okay. So, needs a little bit of work. Another thing is, always, this is a minor gripe, when you holster your weapon, I like to get it where I can see it without having to look at it. You know what I mean? And it takes time to get to that point, but being able to see it without looking at it is good. And before you holster, I like to scan to make sure there's no threats before you holster. You know what I mean? So that's very important. You don't want to be in a hurry to reholster. There's no hurry. You know what I mean? You grab the top of your weapon and you get it out of your way.
Okay.
And then you draw.
All right.
Okay? And when you draw, obviously you want your finger here. You know that,
All
right?
Yeah.
Okay, you want your finger on the frame, not on the trigger.
All right.
You're going to go 3 fingers on 3 fingers. You're going to push out. Get your sight picture out.
Yeah.
Fire one. Okay? And then you're going to reholster to re-begin the drill. All over. Switch. Secondary. There you go. It's looking better. These skills are transferable to real firearms. I know we're dealing with pepper ball now, but mentally your brain categorizes it similarly. These skills are transferable. So if you build bad habits with pepper ball, you might end up shooting yourself in the leg, and now you're a liability to your whole team because you got to put a tourniquet on your leg and you got to get medevaced.
Okay.
Okay? You don't want that. You don't want to be a liability to your entire team. So don't shoot yourself in the leg. Don't put your finger on the trigger to fire. I'd rather you guys do this slowly and do it right than do it all cowboy Wild West. So if you have to do it this way, I'm going to do it slowly. If you got to do it slowly, just do it slowly, because it's better to just know how to do it right than doing it fast and correctly. Boom, slow. See? So just practice the movements, and there's an actual science to it, and you'll get better and better at it.
Okay.
Yelled out.
We'll post you, so yeah, I don't mind. And he doesn't mind if he doesn't want his name. Justin.